Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Angular CLI. So first of all, open your terminal. I'm using Mac, so I will just open this and type terminal. So first of all, I will show you that I am using an older version of the Angular CLI. Okay, so as you can see right now, I have 13.3 version installed right now. Now I want to upgrade. For that, first of all, I want to know that which version I want to install. So if you don't have any specification in your mind, if you just want to upgrade to the latest version, then you just to update your Angular CLI version to the latest version, just type npm install -g and then type @angular/CLI. Now you need to specify the version. We want to install the latest version, so we will just type @latest after this. So this would install the latest stable version for us. Just press enter and wait. Okay, our new version has been installed successfully. Now it's time to check if it is installed successfully or not. For that, again type ng-version. This time dash dash version did not work because we have the latest version, and in the latest version we use ng space version to check the version, and you can see this time it is showing 14.2.5. So that is the latest version that we want to have. So that was very easy and straightforward. I hope that this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you later in the next video.